Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And yes, I know it's been a while, it's been a fair while, it's been a month actually. My video production has dropped down to about one video a month at the minute. Yeah, a lot of reasons behind that. Partly I'm just a busy boy really. I do my radio show, my job, a few other things I do, a lot of internet stuff, web-based stuff. And yeah, obviously my content along with the weather has dropped off. What's new? Well, I've got some new wiper blades to go on to the car, but I've done a wiper blade video before, so I'm not going to do one again. What else is new? The bin is new. That's a nice little worktop for me. All of the people that use their council provided bins for workshops or worktops, give us a thumbs up in the video comment section and leave a comment about what you've done on top of your bin. Maybe not. Why is the bonnet up? I'm just doing the screen wash, checking the coolant, all of the winter jobs you do, and basically just having a general nose around the car. As you can see, the car is kind of filthy, very filthy indeed. Yeah, but look, my sticker was still on the car. Yeah, let's see if my car's unlocked. Let's do that. I was going to clean the glass. I did it the other day actually, but as you can see, like everybody else, I get a lot of condensation in the car, and I'm looking to buy one of these dehumidifiers. Not one of these, because they're crap, and these, they do work. As you can see, I did that the other week, so yeah, but I want to get one of those portable ones and then just leave it in the car there for a few days, or find somebody's workshop that I could go and stick the car in and keep it dry. But yeah, it's not too bad. Plans for the car? Well, I've still got my lower spoiler to go on the front. I've not even taken it out of the box. As I say, it's been too darn cold to even look at it. Yeah, plus I've not resolved the issue with getting the car on and off the drive, because it's too low at the front if you'd have watched the previous video. Let's have a quick look at the engine bay, just to show you. Nothing's changed, no more magical brake horsepower, but I'm planning on changing a few things in the early quarter of next year, so then I should be able to do a few things under the bonnet as well. Let me show you anything else. Don't think so. Fire extinguisher still in there. Car's a bit dirty today because I've been using it as, well, it is my daily car, but also done a few shopping runs, because for those of you that are aware, Christmas is just around the corner. Crazy, I know. And oddly enough, and unrelated, I've got Father Christmas coming on my radio show next Friday, so I'm going to ask him, as I've been good, like everybody else, am I going to get any car parts this year? Because obviously I've not had it in a while. Well, so anyway, getting back to the point of the video, I just wanted to wish all of my subscribers and viewers a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all, as they say. Yeah, got a few things lined up for the car, as I've already mentioned, for the early part of next year. I'm looking at replacing my mirror. It's got a little bit tatty around the outside edge, and it's also got these like finger smudge marks on it from somewhere. Not sure where, but yeah, as I say, thanks for everybody that subscribes to the channel. I know this is a very short video, very brief, but I'm just going to do a few more jobs before I head on out and go and look at some Christmas lights. Not for the house, but you know, the kind they put in towns. One of the local towns I live near, Poole, they've got some Christmas lights up, so I'm going to go and do the bloke thing, go and look at them and moan a lot like you do, and then go and have a coffee or maybe some cake, who knows. But as I've already said, have a Merry Christmas everybody, and I will be seeing a lot more of you, and you'll probably see a lot more of me. Recaro. You'll be seeing a lot more of me in the new year. take care, and I will see you in the next one. This is the Christmas bonus content for those that stuck around. There we go. I've refilled my dehumidifier. That's, yeah. I was bought this as a gift, but I keep microwaving it, and I'm not so sure if it actually regenerates it or not. But yeah, so now, for those that stuck around, I'm going to put the wiper blades on. Whoop whoop.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
There we go, all done. Thanks for sticking around to the end, and again, Merry Christmas.
Yeah.